Immigration to the US for free. It is not possible. Why? It typically involves some costs such as visa application fees, legal fees, and potential relocation expenses. However, there are some ways to minimize or potentially avoid some of these costs. I'm Max from the Visa Library, and today I want to tell you some affordable ways to immigrate to the US. Like the video, subscribe, use our free consultation using the link in the description, and let's go. Number 1. Diversity Visa Lottery Program or Green Card Lottery. The US runs a diversity visa lottery each year that allows about 50,000 people to immigrate to the US to obtain a green card. Applicants must submit an entry during the annual application window, and if selected, they can apply for the visa and interviews. There is no fee to enter the lottery, but if you actually win, you will need to pay for the visa application, which costs from $200 to $330, and you must pay for medical examinations. Number 2. Employment-based visas. It is good for professionals in specialty occupations, researchers, or multinational managers. They must secure a job with a US employer who's willing to file a petition on their behalf and sponsor their visas, such as H-1B visas. The employer often covers all associated legal and application fees, which range from $460 to $2,460. That's a lot. The thing is that applicants have to make sure and confirm with the employer who will be responsible for all these costs. Okay, number 3. Educational and exchange programs. If you're a student, academic, or cultural exchange participant, this program is for you. You must apply for scholarships or exchange programs that include a waiver of tuition and living expenses. Then you must obtain a student or exchange visitor visa. They typically include J1 or F1 visas. Visa application fees are around $160 plus SEVIS fee, which is $350 for F1 and $220 for J1 visas. They are often covered by sponsoring institutions. Number 4. Non-profit assistance. It is for refugees, asylum seekers, and low-income immigrants in need of legal assistance. If you want this, you have to contact non-profit organizations that offer these types of assistance to get help with immigration processes. They may help with legal representation, application fees, and even traveling costs. It is often free, but personal expenses like traveling can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s. Number 5. Asylum and refugee status. If you are fleeing prosecution based on race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group, you can apply for protection in the US. You have to apply for asylum upon arrival or from within the US, and then go through an interview and possibly a court hearing. Organizations like the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees or UNHCR and other international agencies may assist with resettlement and associated costs. However, you might need to pay for legal representation. It varies, typically ranging from $1,500 to $10,000 or even more. And last one, number 6, family sponsorship. As the name suggests, it is for close family members of US citizens or lawful permanent residents. By family, I mean spouses, children, and parents. You basically have to have your family member file an immigrant visa petition, submit affidavits of support, and you have to attend interviews. Filing fees range from $535 for visa petitions to additional costs for processing at the National Visa Center and adjusting status, totaling up to $1,200. And there you have it, cost-friendly ways to immigrate to the US. What problem is the best in your opinion? Write your answers in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow our social media accounts using the links in the description. Thank you all for watching.